Tired of strangers snooping on your Facebook profile? Take control of your privacy by locking your profile in just a few simple steps. Whether you are using Facebook Lite or a browser, this quick guide will help you secure your photos, posts and personal info from unwanted viewers. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile, whether it's Facebook or Facebook Lite. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Facebook Lite app. And now you will be on the home page, Facebook Lite. Then tap on the three vertical lines that is at the top right corner, and you will see several settings over here like messages, groups, video. Scroll down a little and you will see settings and privacy option. Tap on it, and again you will see the settings option. Tap on it. Again you will see several settings over here like privacy checkup, supervision. Just scroll a little until you see option of profile locking. Once you find, tap on it. And here you will see an option of lock your profile at the bottom. Tap on it. After tapping, now your profile will be locked. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.